Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Study Nepal. So today I have a special experiment for you which is in high demand in Nepal. That is, today I have a mercury. Yes, today I have a mercury which is an essential element also and a dangerous element also. So mercury I am going to show for you. So as you can see, here is the mercury. This mercury same looks like a silver. And in a normal room temperature, this mercury is found in liquid state. As actually this is a solid, but in a normal temperature, in a room temperature, it is found in liquid state. So this mercury is much dangerous also and much cool also. So what about the mercury? What is the property of the mercury? What it do? Everything today I am going to make you clear. For that, look the video up to last. So let's start this video. So the liquid which I have here, this is a mercury, and this mercury is too much heavier. So this one is a 50 gram mercury, but it seems too much heavy for me. Just to uplift this plate, it seems much heavier for me because this is a solid mercury which came in the liquid state in this normal room temperature. And another thing, this is 13-14 times denser than the water. It means a single coin also can be float on the mercury. Thus I am going to show for you. As I have water in this glass plate and mercury in this glass plate, so at first I am going to put this coin in this water. So whenever I put the coin in the water, the coin goes downside because the coin seems heavier than the water. But in case of mercury, whenever I keep this coin in the mercury, then it floats. It floats on the surface of the mercury. Though I have a less mercury here, but whenever I keep this coin in the mercury, it is floating. You can see, as you can see, it is floating here. So just you can see it is floating in the surface of the mercury. So this is the reason that mercury is much denser than the water. So now I am going to keep this mercury in my hand and I am going to show how it looks and how it feels. So just you can see, here is the mercury and I am keeping the mercury in my hand. So just you can see, whenever I try to keep the mercury in my hand, the mercury is falling downside in the plate. So you can see, now I am going to try to pour this mercury again in my hand, and whenever I try to keep the mercury in the hand, it is floating downside. So just you can see, So I am keeping some mercury in my hand also. So as you can see, this one is a mercury, and this mercury do not react in our hand, but it seems much heavier. As you can see the color of the mercury also here. So this is a mercury. This one is a mercury. Now I am going to put the mercury back in the plate. So here is the mercury and here is one filter cloth. Now I am going to put the mercury in this filter cloth. Then let's see what happens here. So here is a glass plate and I am going to put the mercury in this cloth. So whenever I keep, and you can see the mercury is falling down from the filter cloth. So let's check any residue remain or not. So as you can see, no a single residue remain in this paper cloth. So see, this is the magic of the mercury. Nothing remains here. Every drops fall down in this glass plate. And also another fact is that when this mercury react with gold, it makes amalgam with the gold. And also when it found the aluminum, it react with aluminum and it makes amalgam of mercury. That's why this kind of mercury is banned in more than 90 countries and we cannot take mercury in a plane. So I do not want to play a long time with this mercury because if the vapor of mercury get evaporate out and if we inhale there, then it causes several big problem in our internal health. That's why I'm going to keep in the bottle. So how is the today's one experiment? If you enjoy this experiment, if you enjoy this project, then obviously subscribe this channel and like and share this video also. Like such experiment, like such project, I will bring next time also. Till that time, keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much for today. Bye bye.